Well, it's been raining for the last 5 days or so. It's the first time I've had my bike out since last week. Really have no plans for this video. I'm going out for a ride. I'm gonna ride around town a little bit, and maybe I'll head out into the countryside. We shall see. Hey, I'm talking to Andy, owner of Howlin Custom Cycles.
Correct.
And this is the first time I've been here, and I'm checking it out, and he's showing me around the parts department right now. This is what you call an old school shop. This reminds me of the shops I used to go to when I first started riding. You can order anything that's needed.
Anything you need.
But wow.
I don't keep a lot of stuff in stock anymore because everything changes.
Right. Well, you can get it so quick. Yeah.
Usually a lot of my stuff is next day. I mean, with this COVID crap's been going on, it's been a little slower.
Right. This reminds me of a Triumph shop I used to hang out before I moved to Little Rock. Old guy was.
Where'd you come from?
Huntington. But I've been here.
Huntington Beach?
No, Huntington, West Virginia.
West Virginia.
Yeah. But I've lived here since '92.
Yeah.
But, you know, I just wasn't familiar with your shop.
I moved to Little Rock in '91.
Yeah. So, well, we've been here about the same time.
Yeah,
here.
pretty close.
I do have some stuff I want to have done. I got to get some more money together because, like I said, I just picked that bike up a month ago. Mm-hmm. I've been personalizing it and stuff that I'm confident I can do, but there's things, engine work and other things I'm not confident to do myself.
Yeah.
So, and I'd rather.
I get you.
So you do a lot of work on older bikes too?
I do a lot of work on older bikes.
And
I restored this 64 over here.
64 Panhead.
I've been taking care of this bike for a long, long time.
Yeah. What model year is that?
55.
Yeah.
Same owner. I did restored a 53 for him about 7 years ago. This was his dad's.
Yeah.
His dad passed away a little over about a year ago, and
it's nice to see some pogo stick seats.
Yeah, I did a 49 right along the same time I did the 64. I do quite a bit of restoration work. It's kind of hit me. It all comes at one time, it generally seems like.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm hoping to get some money together, is I have you do some work before, because as I figured, after people quit riding, they start coming in, I want you to do all this to my bike, or maybe not, I don't know. How's it going?
I stay busy just, being a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest. The little Shovelhead chopper over here. I got one in the office, generator shovel I'm doing.
Oh wow.
Then just a bunch of, just repair work, service, tires.
New stuff, old stuff, whatever. That's good. I really appreciate you taking a little bit of time out and talking to me. So, but like, that's my wide glide.
I don't need to be overworked.
Yeah, that's my wide glide out there, but it's it didn't look like this when I got it, but I put the boards on it, I put the little wind bug screen on it, and got rid of some of this excess chrome crap that was on it. But like I said, one of the things that I'm going to need new tires soon, and I want that tensioner.
Because I was going to say, next time you do your service, we can just pull the cam cover and look at it.
Right.
I mean, if you pull them when it's full of oil, you're going to drain all oil.
Oh, yeah. You got it, yeah. But I wouldn't know what to look for, actually, being inside of the twin cam. But I understand you basically got pull this off, and
Yeah,
that's where you just
you can
inspect?
pull that cover and look at it. You can't change it without pulling the rockers off.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
The
wow.
rockers have to come out. You got to unload the valve train to do it.
Okay. So I definitely need an experienced mechanic to do it. Things I need to do, like, you know, check out the suspension, the brakes, the cam tensioner, and then after that is what can I do to, to give it a little bit more power, and because as low mileage as it is, I should be able to get a lot of miles out of it if I take care of some of the simple stuff first.
I've got a 99. It's getting real close to 200,000 on it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's had top end off of it before, and I got rid of the tensioners, put gear drive cams in mine. Still 88 inches, but it runs good.
Well, I might leave it at 88, but I was thinking a little bit more. Actually, my Sportster had more get up and go than this, but I figured this, on the long haul would be a lot better.
A lot more comfortable for sure, I would think.
Andy, thanks a lot for taking a little bit of time out
You're
and talking
welcome.
to me, and we shall talk again. Well, I had a good visit there with Andy at his shop. He showed me around a little bit. Probably going to have him do some work for me here in the near future. And really old school, small shop. That was Howlin Custom Cycles. If you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe.